Insectivory. Living organisms procure nutrition in various ways. The pitcher plant Nementis grows in areas where the soil is deficient in nitrogen and other elements like phosphorus and potassium. It overcomes this deficiency by trapping small insects and digesting them. Thus, it is an insectivorous plant. Let us now study how it traps insects. Nepenthes is a herbaceous plant. The petiole of the leaf is modified into a curling tendril. The leaf lamina is modified to give rise to a pitcher-like structure at the tip of the tendril. The pitcher is suspended elegantly and is provided with a lid, a modified leaf apex. The pitcher has attractive color and its rim is lined with nectar glands. The inner surface of the pitcher is covered by numerous smooth and sharp hair, all pointing downwards. The pitcher plant lures insects by its aroma, bright color, and nectar. The insect gets attracted to these factors and reaches the outer rim. It begins to search for the nectar and wanders close to inner edge and often slips inside the pitcher. The entrapped insect is then prevented from escaping out by the hairs present on the inner surface of the pitcher. It then loses its grip due to the waxy, slippery surface inside the pitcher, and as it struggles to come out, it keeps falling deeper and deeper. Finally, the insect is drowned in an acidic fluid present at the bottom of the pitcher. The trapped insect eventually dies, and its proteins are digested by proteolytic enzymes secreted by the glands. Thus, the plant meets its nitrogen requirements. Now let us study another insectivorous plant called Venus flytrap. It grows in the soil, which is very poor in nutrients. So the plant has adapted itself to another mode of nutrition rather than starving. This plant has a reduced stem and leaves arranged in the form of a rosette. Each leaf has a winged petiole and a lamina with two lobes hinged at the midrib to form the two sides of the trap. Each lobe has toothed margin and 2 to 5 short, stiff hairs called trigger hairs present on the upper surface of the lamina. Trigger hairs are the mechano-motion detectors and are extremely sensitive to the mechanical stimuli. The Venus flytrap plant lures its prey using sweet-smelling nectar. When the insect lands on the flytrap, it feeds on the nectar. During this process, it touches and stimulates the sensitive trigger hairs. The two lobes snap shut and the insect gets trapped inside it. The marginal teeth of the two lobes get interlocked to prevent the insect from escaping. The lobes then exude digestive enzymes. The digestion process continues for 5 to 12 days. The trap then reopens and the leftover exoskeletons of the insect are blown away by the wind.